Hi, this is Ryan, and on behalf of CAD Audio, I'd like to talk to you about the Trion 6000. The Trion 6000 is a classic bottle-shaped condenser microphone. It has a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. It handles high SPLs of 138 dB and actually features dual 1-inch gold-sputtered diaphragms, so it's a multi-pattern microphone here. And if you look on the front of the microphone here, you have the switch to be able to select the polar pattern that you want to use. You have omni, figure of 8, and cardioid. On the back of the mic here, you have your switch for your high pass filter, which is set to 100 Hz. And then right here you have your 10 dB pad. The Trion 6000 does come with this suspension shock mount, which is very sturdy. No matter whether you have it upright, sideways, upside down, your mic's staying in place. So that's a great accessory there. It also comes with this hard shell aluminum case here, and if we open it up, you'll see that it is well lined with heavy duty foam to protect your microphone in storage or in travel. You can actually also store it right in the shock mount, so when you pull it out, it's good to set up and go. I really find the Trion 6000 to be a very versatile microphone. With the multiple patterns on it, you can use it in a wide variety of things, from straight miking, room miking, mid-side, however you'd like to set it up. You also get a little bit of a different frequency response out of each polar pattern. With your cardioid and omni pattern, you get a little more top end going on, so you get a little more air. And if you put it in your figure of 8 pattern, you get a little more upper mid range to it, so a little more forward clarity. The mids are actually very flat, very natural sounding, and there's a little boost on the low end, so you get a little extra full bodiness to it. No matter what you throw at this microphone, it's just going to be a solid performer in the studio. So whether you're in a home studio, project studio, whatnot, anything you give this, it's going to work. I've used it on electric guitar, so whether I'm doing some clean kind of bluesy stuff, or whether I want to get a little bit of overdrive or some metal kind of full out distortion going, every track, highly usable. It works great on acoustic guitar as well, and it works wonderful on vocals. With the multiple patterns on it, get a little electric guitar with a nice overdrive feel to it, throw it in figure of 8, stick it about 8 to 12 inches from your cabinet, good to go. With vocals, you can put it in figure of 8 or omni, get a couple people around it, and do yourself some group vocals, which is very nice. Or you can just switch it right to cardioid and get your main performance. It also works wonderful in a drum room capacity, whether you want to put them up in omni, figure of 8, however you want to use them. Works great in that aspect. You can throw it on cardioid, get some drum overheads going, and you're going to get a lot of nice, rich, full bodiness out of your toms, your snare, your kick, and everything, and you're going to get plenty of cut and clarity out of your cymbals as well. The one place that I really loved this microphone on when I used it at my studio was at the bottom of the snare. Put it on cardioid, engaged the 10 dB pad, and had it about 3 to 4 inches off the bottom of the snare at a slight angle pointing towards the center, and had it just under where the snare is. So I got plenty of the depth and body to make my snare sound just big and full, but I was able to get all of the little rattles out of that snare, so when I was doing some ghost notes or some rolls, things like that, it really helped bring my snare drum to the forefront and really showcase that aspect of the performance. It is just all in all a great, well-rounded microphone. And if you're looking to add a solid condenser microphone that is going to be utilitarian and just perform outstandingly on anything you throw at it, this is the microphone for you. It's a great value, easily in the grasp of home studio guys and gals. You can have a couple of these. Same with project studios. It's definitely worth having in your toolbox. So for more information on the Trion 6000 and all the great products brought to you by CAD Audio, check it out online at www.cadaudio.com. Thank you.